Good evening, Ashley. How you doing? Hope you're doing well. It's Friday, about 10:18. Just want to give you a short video on the natural log. I believe this is what you're asking for. So I'm going to share my screen with you, put a whiteboard up, and let's get started. Okay. Now, whenever you see the ln of something, the ln is also equal to, let's say the ln of e is also equal to log e and then e. So the ln portion is equal to this right here. So if you put this into exponential function right here, this is going to be 1. Why? Because base e to this power equals this, right? And so this is an exponential form. Okay, so now when you have number 1, let's say number 1 is e to the 2.08 power equals 8. What you're going to do is, because you have the e right here, you want to put the ln's on both sides. Okay, now we have this here. This goes over to the front, right? So it'll be 2.08 ln e is equal to the ln of 8. Now keep in mind too, remember we just mentioned that the ln of e is equal to 1, so it'll be 2.08 is equal to the ln of 8. Okay, and so I believe that's it. We got it. So the ln of 8 is equal to 2.08. Okay, let's go with number 2. I believe, I don't forget which questions you're asking me for. Let's see here. It was, okay, so number 2, you asked for, let me erase this. E to the 4.61 power is equal to 100. So when you get the ln of both sides, you get the ln, or 4.61. Because remember, if you remember the log property, if you have a power, you can always move it in front of the log. So the 4.61 ln e is equal to the ln of 100. So this equals 1. So it'll be 4.61 times 1 is equal to the ln of 100. So the ln of 100 is equal to 4.61. Okay, let's do the next problem. Number 10. Number 10 is, now we have to simplify. So we have the ln of e is equal to the 10th. Right, remember ln of e is 1. You bring this over to the front, so this equals just 10. All right. Number 18. 18 is the ln of 8 minus the ln of 2. Now remember, when you subtract 2 logs or 2 ln's, remember logs and ln's are the same thing, except ln is a specific type of log. All right, it's the ln of e, okay, or log base e. So whenever you subtract 2 logs, you're actually dividing the 2 numbers. So this becomes ln 8 over 2, which then equals ln of 4, and that's your final answer for that. Okay. All right, number 24. 24 is, we have to solve for x. Let me clear this here. ln of 1 over x is equal to 2. All right, so here we go. Let's go to the ln. So what we're going to do is, I'm just going to convert this to log e. 1 over x equals 2. And what we're going to do, remember, we're trying to solve for x. So this is going to be e to the 2nd power is equal to 1 over x. All right, now that we have a base e, what I'm going to do is I'm going to make the ln's both sides here. Okay, so then the ln of e to squared is 2 ln e equals ln, right? Yeah, 1 over x, correct? So then this becomes 1. So 2 is equal to the ln of 1 over x. leave the answers in terms of, number was it? In terms of E. Well, I just kind of went backwards a little bit here.